Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using tags, and this is a cute little Christmas card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so today we are using tags, and we are going to be using Express Your Elf. And I'm going to show you how you can just use the one image and not have to cut apart your stamps. Okay, so I have a piece of the vellum from the annual catalog, and then I have our Garden Green Classic Stampin' Pad. So I have our stamp mounted on clear block I, and then I have Post-it notes, and you can see where I have practiced. So you're going to ink it up really well. And then you just have to take off the Post-it notes, and you will have that. And I'm going to stamp it right here. So just like that. Isn't that cute? All right, so we can start putting our card together. I have a piece of Tulle Christmas paper, I believe it's called. I'll put it on the screen. The vellum piece is cut at 3.5 by 4 3/4, and this is 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm just going to come in here with my mini glue dots. Just remember that the adhesive shows through with the vellum, but I'll show you how we're going to take care of that as well. All right, and I'm just going to center that like that. And make it a little bit more flush here. All right, now I'm going to come in with the Garden Green double stitched ribbon, and I'm just going to put that down with some regular tape. All right, so just like that, I'm going to come in with my snail adhesive. And our card base is Garden Green, and it is cut at 4 1/4 by 11, and I scored it at 5 1/2. All right, and now I have these Tulle Tidings glitter enamel dots. And that's probably what the paper is called too. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to go ahead and use the green, and I'm going to use the larger ones to ensure that we have covered up the glue dots. Oops. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple Christmas card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!